Hello students, today we will start third weekly maths revision. So question number 1a, write a fraction for each of the following. So number 1, 7 out of 9. So here we have to write fractions, that is numerator and denominator. Denominator means total part and numerator means how many parts we are taken out or shaded part. Okay, so first one is 7 out of 9. So total part is 9. So we will write in denominator. And how many parts are shaded? 7. So 7 is the numerator. So 7 upon 9. Number 2, 15 out of 18. So 15 upon 18. Numerator is 15 and denominator is 18. Number 3, 4 out of 6. 4 upon 6. Total part is 6 and 4 parts are shaded. So numerator is 4 and denominator is 6. Number 4, 12 out of 17. So 12 upon 17. So numerator is 12 and denominator is 17. Number 5, 14 out of 19. So 14 upon 19. So numerator is 19 and denominator is 14. Question 1b. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So number 1, 5 upon 16, 7 upon 16, 9 upon 16, 3 upon 16. Okay. So here first we have to see the denominators. Here all the denominators are same. So we not to take out any LCM. Just we will compare the numerators and we will arrange in the ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greater number. Okay. So here we will write the statement. The denominators are same. So compare the number. So numerators are 5, 7, 9, 3. So which one is the smallest? 3. So we will write here 3 upon 16. Then between 5, 7, 9, which one is the smallest? 5. So 5 upon 16. Then between 7 and 9, 7. 7 upon 16. Then 9 upon 16. This is our answer. Number 2, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 3, 5 upon 2, 6 upon 4. Here all denominators are different. So first we have to make the denominator same. So for that we will take out the LCM. Here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of denominator 7, 3, 2, 4. So we have to take out the LCM. 7, 3, 2, 4. So we will start with the smaller number 2. So in 2 table 7 will not come. So we will write same. In 2 table 3 will also will not come. So we will write same. In 2 table 2 will come. Yes, 2 ones are 2. And 2 table 4 will come. Yes, 2 twos are 4. Now again 2 is there. So we will do with 2. 2 ones are 2. Now we will move to 3 table. In 3 table 7 will not come. So we will write same. Then 3 ones are 3. Then we will take now 7 is left. 7 will come in 7 table. So 7 ones are 7. So here LCM we will write. LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. This we have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are 84. So we got LCM 84. Now we have to make the denominator 84. Okay, so first fraction is 2 upon 7. So here what we will multiply to get denominator as 84. So see, 7 is there. So in LCM we will see 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we will multiply 12. So in numerator also we will multiply 12. Whatever we are multiplying in denominator, that same number we will multiply in numerator. So 2 12s are 24. 7 12s are 84. Okay. So next fraction is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3. We want denominator 84. So see, in LCM 3 is there. So remaining number we will take 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So we will multiply 28 3s are 84. So in numerator also we will multiply 28. So 128 is 28. Now next fraction is 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2. So we will multiply. We want here denominator 84. So here 2 is there. Other all number we will take. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So with 2 we will multiply 42. In numerator also. So now 42 5s are 5 2s are 10. 1 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. So 210. So now next fraction is 6 upon 4. So 6 upon 4. So we want your denominator 84. So here 4 is there. So what we will multiply? So 2 2s are 4. So which numbers are left? 3 and 7. So 3 7s are 21. So we will multiply here 21. So 4 21s are 84. And numerator also we will multiply with 21. Now 21 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 126. Now see here all denominator become same, 84, 84, 84, 84. Okay. So we will write one time 24 upon 84, 28 upon 84, 210 upon 84, 126 upon 84. So first we will arrange this in ascending order. So here all the denominator becomes same. So we will now compare the numerators. So 24, 28, 210, 126. So which one is the smallest? Yes, 24. So we will write here 24 upon 84. Then 28, 28 upon 84. Between 210 and 126, which one is the smallest? Yes, 126 upon 84. Then 210 upon 84. Now we have to write these fractions according to the question. So 24 upon 84. This whose answer is this 24 upon 84? That is 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7. Then 28 upon 84. 28 upon 84, that is 1 upon 3. Then 126 upon 84, that is 6 upon 4. Then 210 upon 84, that is 5 upon 2. So this is our answer. Number 3, 4 upon 5, 2 upon 15, 5 upon 20, 1 upon 10. Here also all the denominators are different. So first we have to take the LCM. So here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of 5, 15, 20, 10. 15, 20 and 10. So first we will start with 2 table. In 2 table 5 will not come, so we will write same. 15 also will not come. In 2 table 20 will come? Yes. 2 tens are 20. And 10 will come? Yes. 2 fives are 10. Now here 10 is there. So again we will take 2 table. 2 fives are 10. Now we will move to 3 table. 3 fives are 15. Then all 5 there. So we will take 5 table. 5 ones are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So here we want denominator 60. So our first fraction is 4 upon 5. So what we will multiply to get denominator 60? So 5 is there. So we will multiply 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Remaining numbers we will multiply. So 12. So in numerator also we will multiply with 12. So 4 12s are 48. 5 12s are 60. Now next fraction is 2 upon 50. 2 upon 15. So we want here denominator should be 60. So in LCM see 5 3s are 15. So remaining two numbers 2 and 2s are left, that we will multiply. 2 2s are 4. So 15 4s are 60. And in numerator also we will multiply with 4. 2 4s are 8. The next fraction is 5 upon 20. 5 upon 20. So we want here LCM 60. So here 20 is there. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply here with 3. So 20 3s are 60. And with numerator also 3. So 5 3s are 15. So now next fraction 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. So we want here denominator 60. So here 10 is there. So 5 2s are 10. So which numbers are left? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 10 6 are 60. In numerator also we will multiply with 6. So 1 6 are 6. Now we will write our fractions. So 48 upon 60. 8 upon 60. 15 upon 60. 6 upon 60. So this now all denominator becomes same. So we will arrange in ascending order. So 48, 8, 15, 6. So which one is the smallest? 6. So first we will write 6 upon 60. Then 8 upon 60. Then between 48 and 15, 15 is the smallest. 15 upon 60. Then 48 upon 16. Now we will write the answer. So 6 upon 60 is the whose fraction? 6 upon 60. 1 upon 10. So first we will come 1 upon 10. Then 8 upon 60. 8 upon 60. 2 upon 15. Then next 15 upon 60. That is of 5 upon 20. Now next 48 upon 60. 48 upon 60, that is of 4 upon 5. So this is our answer. Now number 4. 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 5. So here also all the denominators are different. So here we will write. Here denominators are different. So we take LCM of 4, 6, 10 and 5. Okay, 4, 6, 10 and 5. 4, 6, 10, 5. So first we will start with 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 2 5s are 10. So 5 will not come in 2 tables. So we will write it as same. Now again 2 is there. So we will start with 2. 2 1s are 2. Then 3 5 5 we will write same. Then now we will move to 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Now we will move to 5 table. 5 1s are 5. So now LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. Now so our first fraction is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. So we want here denominator should be 60. So what we will multiply to 4 to get 60. So see in LCM 2 2 is 4. So remaining which numbers are left? 3 and 5. That we will multiply. 3 5 is 15. So 4 15 is 60 and numerator also we will multiply with 15. So 3 15 is 45. Now next fraction is 5 upon 6. So we want here denominator 60. So 6 is there. See 2 3 is 6. So which numbers are left? 2 and 5. So that we will multiply. 2 5 is 10. So with in numerator also we will multiply with 10. So 5 10 is 50. Now next fraction is 3 upon 10. So you want here denominator should be 60. So 5 2 is 10. So which numbers are left? 3 and 2. So 3 2 is 6. In numerator also we will multiply with 6. So 3 6 is 18. Now next one is 2 upon 5. So here we want denominator 60. So if 5 is there, 5. So remaining all numbers we will take. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So we will multiply with 12. So 12 2 is 24. So 45 upon 60, 50 upon 60, 18 upon 60, 24 upon 60. So here all the denominator becomes same 60. So here we have to compare the numerator. So which one is the smallest? 45, 50, 18, 24. Which one is the smallest? 18. So we will write here 18 upon 60. Then 24, 24 upon 60. Between 45 and 50, 45. So 45 upon 60. Then 50 upon 60. So here we have to write the answer. So 18 upon 60 is whose answer? 18 upon 60 is of 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10. Then 24 upon 60 is of 2 upon 5. Then 45 upon 60, that is of 3 upon 4. Then 50 upon 60, 50 upon 60, that is of 5 upon 6. So this is our answer. Okay students, this way you have to do remaining sums also from PDF. Okay.